Car's been broken down. This guy's saying this car was a new car.
You know, and the car has faulty like hell. I can't even get through his own. How are we expecting this guy to get through now?
Look, what the heck?
Oh, you better full. That's gonna cut again.
Okay.
So yeah, we are here now. Returning the car. This is ruining some of our plans still. Well, we'll see what we're gonna do. Yeah. So we're just waiting out here. So basically, he said that since that one's broken, he might give us a 1-seater and a 2-seater. So Benny's happy with that. Benny's been trying to find a 1-seater, so he's happy with that. So hopefully we get that. We get that as car. Him, yeah.
So I will give you one QUADS. You driving? You got driving?
Yeah, I'm driving. I have license.
You got license?
Yes,
Listen to
good
me,
license.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I will give you that baggie there.
Yeah.
The white one. That is, I know that's
And
okay.
the
And I give you one quad. Whoever is available, it's no
Yeah.
problem. Let's spend money on that.
Perfect. That's how we start day 3.
Let's go.
Benny has forgotten to turn it off. Alright, so guys, we're on our way. I got my hat here. I said I'm wearing hats. I don't care.
Yeah, we out here.
We out here.
YezziTV.
I slay.
We're going jet skiing.
So yeah, we're going jet skiing now. I got this thing to put my phone in so I can show you guys vlog. If my phone gets lost, yeah, you guys need to give me subscribers and money. So subscribe now, please, so you can give me money to buy a new phone. But it's not gonna drop. But subscribe still, so I can get better and better quality for you guys. But anyway, I will see you in the car. So yeah. So we're at the parasailing place and the jet ski, and we're gonna do this thing that the boat pushes us forward, bro. Yeah. And the owner is your one and only. One and only. One and only. Come on, shout out yourself for you. Come on.
The one and only.
Woo! Let's go. Today's about to be lit. Paid and that. So
what you
I'm
about
first.
To do? What you about to do?
JetSki.
Come on.
I've never done it before. I don't know if I'll fall.
Yele. Don't crash our day.
Yele crash.
Look at me. This is our jet ski period pooper.
Straight hand, bro. It's the waves that are moving me that makes me want to feel like I need to turn.
Okay, we can turn this way now. Can we turn this way? How are we gonna swap? You need to go back to the shore, right? Bombaras.
Yeah. Let's go!
Let's go! Yes! Yale! Hey! Let's go. Let's go. Yale! Go on, Yale! Take control! This is so scary. Yeah! Yeah!
finished the. So we finished the jet skis. It was a bit tough turning all that, but I got the hang of it at the end of the day. Now we are going parasailing. I'm actually excited for this one a bit. We're going on the boat for parasailing now. So keep tuned in it. I'm strapped up. I want to be strapped up well, look. There's lads. These guys are getting on. But we in the air. We in the air.
I wonder if there's any sharks.
Looking at the sky. I actually wish they could go faster.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of slow.
It's just nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at the city, everything. I think the front camera is a bit blurry, but we are here. Just in the sky. Let me try and clean it. Yeah, there we go. We are here. We are here. We're gonna land on his head. That's how we do it on YezziTV. We're out here. So guys, early morning now, day 4. The boys are here playing. We're going to play some ball. We woke up early to play some ball. We're leaving the 2 kites for the girls because obviously they're going to spa later. They're going to the spa. We're going to play some ball. Leaving the might as well just tag along. You know them ones. Anyway, in a bit. So we're stopping at the shopping center to get a ball. I think the guys want to get like just a shirt to wear because they didn't bring shoes. But yeah. What are you saying, boys?
UK size. But this heat though, we're gonna be off. It's like a see-through rope.
This thing wants to deceive us. We thought it's just water. It's a see-through rope, and the water falls. Yeah, lads.
We'll do one by one, okay?
Yeah, she sold us, lads. Still, she sold us. He's bought €100 worth of stuff in it. Me too. I bought my own. Well, so guys, basically, yeah, let me tell you, it was €25 this year. You know me. If they said original price, €75. You know those ones that will write fake price and bring it down to 25. You think, wow. I said I will get it for less. I said it's only 20 I have. Jale 2020. 20 jale or nothing. He said yes. You see, bargaining and that. Let's go. Look at that. Oh my god.
That's nice.
Have a look what's that, yes?
Even look at the difference between the skinny here and there.
I will show him one more second, but first...
We're not clean.
Can say we're not clean?
Have a look how it's moored out.
Bro, there's a line here.
And have a look here. Have a look here and have a look here. Now touch it. Touch here and touch here.
Oh.
Feel the difference.
And then this. Oh. How much?
This guy wants to fall off this thing. See how that tire lifted. Okay, we are here. Yo guys, so this is the outfit for today. Still, I don't know if I really look this outfit. I might post a picture with this outfit on Instagram, I'm not sure. Yeah, just back from football. Obviously not just back, but like had my shower, all that. Some of the boys have gone to the spa right now because we have to take turns. So me and Dylan are gonna be going in like 15 minutes for our slot. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we get to the spa. I am sweating so much, but guys, yeah, we're at the massage place, and I don't know if I take pictures here, but I'm gonna try. So I'm just waiting for her in there to get ready for me. That doesn't sound that nice, all right, but yeah, gonna be getting the massage. So this is the room, guys. I'm gonna be here, my head, body, all that. So yeah, who's this? Anyway, yeah. Okay. Just finished the massage there. I haven't fell asleep during it. Oh, so good. Just relaxing. First massage, recommended. So we're back at the squad place. So obviously you guys know we're here. I told you the other guys were coming, and we had one crash. Fell off the bike still. So we're just trying to sort things out right now. So we'll see how everything works at the end. Okay, we sorted it out. Everything's sorted now. So basically we're not getting a deposit back. That's it. Everybody's not getting a deposit back. So that's 400 euro. At least he didn't get injured like that. He's okay. He's fine. He's fine.
Come on.
He's fine. Just a bit scratches, and that, but he's fine.
If you're coming to Cyprus, make sure, yeah, that the thing is working properly.
Honestly, and wear your helmets, because if you wasn't wearing a helmet,
yeah, I hit the car in the bumper. So if I didn't wear a helmet, I would have died right now.
Yeah, so
I'm bringing your driving license. Your own.
Be a full driver. And yeah, don't think those squads are a joke, bro, because they can give you serious damage. Wear your helmets. Don't think you're a bad man. In a bit. Yo, guys, I'm always ending up sitting beside this guy, you know, and he's like, you have to enter my vlog. Killing it. Anyway, guys, we are out here in Solid Rock Cafe. Yes, that's the name, Solid Rock Cafe. You know, we chilling. Whoa. Solid Rock Cafe, innit? Usher is just, oi, Usher. Yeah, say nothing, bro. Yeah, he's just down there chilling, you know, them ones, you know. So yeah, we're just chilling in the cafe, you know, just enjoying life, enjoying Cyprus. So I don't know if I'll bring you guys back for tomorrow or later, but bye-bye anyway. Yay! Say YouTube, we're live on YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Yay!